You make $100,000 a year, you should be rich. So why is your bank account always empty? Here's the math nobody shows you. A $100,000 salary sounds huge, but after federal taxes, you're down to around $74,000. Then state taxes take another $5,000. Now you're sitting at roughly $69,000. Rent in a major U.S. city? About $2,500 a month. That's $30,000 gone. Add a car payment, insurance, groceries, phone bills, and everyday expenses. And you're left with less than $800 a month. But here's what's really draining your money. Lifestyle inflation. Every time people get a raise, they upgrade their lifestyle. A newer car, a bigger apartment, more streaming services, more monthly subscriptions. The average American spends around $219 every month on subscriptions they barely use. And credit cards make it even worse. The average household carries about $10,000 in credit card debt, often with interest rates around 24%. That's roughly $2,400 a year just in interest. You're not broke because you don't earn enough. You're broke because the system makes spending feel normal. The wealthy don't just earn more, they spend differently. Rule number 1, pay yourself first. Automatically invest 20% of every paycheck before spending anything else. Rule number 2, cancel subscriptions you don't actually use. Rule number 3, never carry a credit card balance. Follow these 3 rules, and a $100,000 salary will finally start feeling like a 6-figure income. Follow for more financial truths they never taught you in school.